Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Removing a Eufy camera from its mount is a straightforward process that every owner should know. You may need to take it down for charging, resetting, or cleaning the lens. Most Eufy models use one of three common mounting systems. The first type is the magnetic mount used on indoor and some outdoor cameras. To remove this, grasp the camera body firmly with one hand. Pull the camera straight off the magnetic base with a steady tug. The magnets are strong, so do not be afraid to apply some pressure. The second type is the screw-in ball joint mount. Look for the circular locking ring located behind the camera. Rotate this ring counterclockwise until it feels loose. Once the tension is gone, you can simply unscrew the camera from the threaded post. The third type is the sliding bracket mount often found on the SoloCam series. These brackets usually have a release button or a small security screw on the bottom. If there is a screw, use a screwdriver to loosen it first. Then, press the release tab and slide the camera upward or away from the wall. If your camera is connected to a solar panel or a power cable, remember to unplug it before you start. Always use two hands to ensure you do not drop the device during the process. If your camera is mounted high up, make sure your ladder is stable before reaching for the unit. Taking your time prevents damage to the mount or the camera housing. Now you can easily maintain your home security system with total confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.